Greetings everybody. So today I'm going to be making vegan banana cream pie. So first what you'll need are measuring cups, 1 cup and a 1/4 cup. You'll need a baking tray or a glass dish, cling wrap or wax paper, a food processor, pitted dates of any variety, walnuts, raw cashews, coconut milk, full fat, coconut butter or oil, maple syrup, pure vanilla extract, pink sea salt or pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, or whatever type of berry, a lemon, 2 bananas, 1 raw and another one frozen. So first of all, the night before you're going to want to freeze your banana if you don't already have a frozen banana. And also you're going to want to soak your cashews. You'll need specifically 1 1/4 cashews soaked overnight. Go ahead and soak 1 heaping cup of pitted dates in warm water. So when your dates have soaked in warm water for about 10 minutes, go ahead and drain off all of that water. And I'm going to save this water and actually drink it. It's really healthy. So then take your heaping cup of soaked dates and put it in your food processor. And then you're going to want to measure a heaping cup of walnuts. And I crush them in there, so it's an actual cup. And then you'll take your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or you could do less, maybe a 1/2 teaspoon to start. And add that in. And then after this, I'm going to go ahead and blend them in the food processor. This will be my crust, the dates and the walnuts, and I'm going to line my tray or my dish with plastic wrap. Cool, so now that I've lined my tray, I'm going to take my crust and spread it out evenly on the tray. So once your crust is even, you can go ahead and put it in the freezer and wait a couple of hours. It's been a few hours and it's nice and hard. So next we're going to make the filling. So take your banana, your frozen banana, and add it to the food processor. Drain your 1 1/4 cup of cashews and add it. And then take your coconut milk, and what I do is I just take the creamy part off the top and put the white cream. And you can save the liquid for another recipe. I also like to drink it. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Two to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And normally that's just the whole, I think that'll just be the whole lemon. And then we'll add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend it, and while it's blending, I'll melt down my coconut butter. Cool, so I've used the double boiler method to melt my coconut butter down. So I put water in the bottom of the pot and put the coconut oil, 3½ tablespoons, or the coconut butter in this Pyrex, and the boiling melts it down without burning the coconut butter. So now that it's nice and melted, I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove off and add it to my mix. And after adding my coconut butter, I'm going to add my salt. I'll use just 1/4 teaspoon. And again, you can just use sea salt too, but my preference is the Himalayan pink salt. And after adding the salt, I'm going to go ahead and blend it once more. And I'll go ahead and scrape down the sides to get any pieces that have come up and haven't blended in correctly. So I almost forgot to add my strawberries. And this is my own touch on the recipe, and I like to blend the strawberries in. Alright, so now that my batter is nice and mixed, I'm going to add it on top of the crust. As a finishing touch, I like to add my berries right in. So I'll go ahead and take my raspberries and push them in. You can do this with blueberries or blackberries as well. And I'll just add them in here and there. And when they freeze, they get nice and crunchy. And then I'll take my knife and just cover it up so that they're surprised. And last, I'm going to cut up some banana and thinly sliced. And add it to the top. And the last step is to put it back in the freezer and wait a few hours. Find a flat spot so it doesn't pour over. So one thing that I love about this vegan banana cream pie is that it's more than just a dessert. For me, it's breakfast. For me, I have it for lunch too. And as eating a plant-based diet, it's important to get the healthy fats. And this cake is wonderful because it mixes natural sugars from the fruit with healthy fats from the coconut, cashews, walnuts. So for me, this is a whole food source. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.